In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Mailchimp to your Wix account. By the end, your Wix site will be connected to Mailchimp, so new signups and site data can sync into your audience automatically. You'll just need access to your Mailchimp account and a Wix site you manage. Using a desktop browser and a stable internet connection will make the process smoother, and being signed into your Wix account in the same browser can help the connection complete without extra prompts. Start by signing into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation and find integrations. If your menu is collapsed, expand it so you can see the full list. Click Integrations to open the integrations directory. At the top of the integrations page, use the search bar and type Wix, then press Enter. You'll see Wix appear in the results as an integration card. Click Wix and wait for its page to fully load before you proceed. This ensures the connection options display correctly. On the Wix integration page, click Connect. Mailchimp may briefly reload and present a short overview of what the connection will do. Click Continue to move forward. A pop-up window will appear asking you to choose the Wix site you want to connect. If you manage more than one site, select the specific site you intend to use. If the pop-up doesn't show, check your browser's pop-up blocker and allow pop-ups for Mailchimp, then try again. After you select the site, the pop-up will close automatically. Next, wait for the sync settings to load. This can take a moment, so avoid refreshing the page. When the settings appear, review what will be synced between Wix and Mailchimp. Confirm the correct audience is selected, and look over how new contacts will be handled. Depending on your setup, you may see options related to contact details, tags, marketing permissions, or other data points pulled from Wix. Make sure these align with how you plan to manage your subscribers and campaigns. When everything looks right, click Sync Now. Mailchimp will begin the initial sync and display a success message indicating your sync is in progress. The first sync can take several minutes or longer, depending on how much data you have. Don't close the tab until you see that confirmation. After that, you can continue working while the sync completes in the background. And that's it. Your Wix site is now connected to Mailchimp, and new signups and selected data will flow into your audience, helping you run targeted, timely campaigns with confidence.